Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. I'm going to show you another pop-up video which is a swing arm pop-up mechanism. Keep watching! I have made my background illustration already using the colored pencils. And I have this swing here which will be our moving element. Using this swing arm mechanism, it would look like this. In order for it to pop up perfectly, we have to have an exact measurement. In this case, I use 0.5 and 1 inch as you can see on the screen. But of course, you can have different numbers depending on how long and wide your strip would be. Here's a sample for you to follow. I made it bigger for you to see clearly. If your strip is bigger, then you can have bigger measurements too. Just fold the 0.5 tab on the right. Then, from that tab, fold the 1.5 inch in the middle. Then, create a little triangular fold on top, following the mark that you see. After that, push the little triangular fold backward to create a perfect little fold at the back, which will do the swing movement. You'll see that later. Then, fold the tab on the other end. So here's our swing, and it should move left and right like this. Now I'm going to use my small strip that I made earlier for this project. And if it is necessary, you can put an extension tab at the back of the triangular fold, where you can paste the swing for the better movement. Now, let's paste our swing to the triangular fold extension. Then, let's paste the tab onto the spread. Be careful to paste this tab exactly from the center fold of the spread because it creates balance. Next, fold this arm like this and put glue on the tab on the other end and fold the spread so that the arm will be placed perfectly on the spread. That's it! You see, it worked! The little triangular fold is the reason that the swing can move back and forth when you open and close the spread. Now we're going to cover that little arm with this another element. Be careful to make it look the same so that it would just appear as part of your background. Finally, let's add our character. It must be playing with the swing, so let's put it here. Okay, here it is. It's done. This is our swing arm pop-up illustration. Hope you like it. Thank you very much, pop-uppers. See you next time. Take care. Bye.